Let's do an updo. I prepped my hair with a large barrel wand and some dry shampoo today for some texture, and I will put the link for the video where I do that there so you can do the same beach waves I did. I then brush my hair back from the crown, leaving some hair out at the front, and I'm just going to kind of go back and forth from side to side, deciding what hair I want to leave down. And this is always personal preference. It's going to depend on how thick your hair is, how long your hair is around your face. I just kind of go until I like the way it looks. It might be a little different every time. Sometimes even how curly or straight my hair is will dictate how much hair I choose to leave down at the front. Then I'm going to comb everything back lightly. I try to do this with my fingers instead of a brush so that it stays loose and less slick and sleek. Then I'm going to take the hair that I have gathered into a ponytail and I'm going to twist it, and I'm going to use a pretty small claw clip and I'm going to clip it at the base. If you use a bigger claw clip, you want to make sure you have longer hair. If you have shorter hair, you want to use a smaller claw clip like me. Otherwise, the claw clip is basically going to eat up all your hair and you're not going to get that cascade of hair that kind of gives you the ponytail vibe. So once I've got the claw clip in, I do a little teasing and then I sort of just spread the hair out over the claw clip until I'm happy with the way it looks. Now for this one, I turned around, I gave myself a checkout, and I just felt like I wanted to see more of a ponytail. So I turned back around, took the hair out, start again. If it's not perfect, we can always do it again. This time I'm twisting it up a little higher on my head, and I'm making sure that I clip at the very, very base of the twist as far down as I can while still keeping it twisted. And you'll see this time we get much more hair cascading, much more length to that ponytail. That is more of what I was going for, and I am much happier with that. It is such a fun way to do a voluminous ponytail if you don't have a lot of hair. So I'm going to also show you another version. If you're not much of a ponytail person, you can do this same style, but make it a bun. So you're going to basically take out the clip and start back from the ponytail twist point where you've twisted your ponytail up. So I'm just going to retwist it here because it came untwisted a little, but this time you're going to fold the ends down before you clip, still clipping up high on your head, but clipping those ends in, and then you're gonna fluff and pull, and that's gonna give you the little bun. If you don't do it high enough on your head, it's fine. You just won't really see the bun from the front when you turn around, but if you wanna see the bun from the front, when you turn around and face forward, you wanna make sure you're clipping high enough up on top of your head. So there you go, 2 super easy summer updos using just a claw clip. You can do them in straight hair, but I do find that having some waves just adds a little something. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos. I'll see you in the next one.